The five stages of design thinking are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Empathize, research your user needs, define, state your user's needs and problem, ideate, challenge assumptions and create ideas, prototype, start to create solutions, test, try your solutions out. The first stage of the design thinking process focuses on user centric research. You want to gain an empathic understanding of the problem you are trying to solve. You may also want to immerse yourself in your user's physical environment to gain a deeper personal understanding of the issues involved as well as their experiences and motivations. The first one is empathy. Empathy is a crucial to problem solving and a human centered design process as it allows design thinkers to set aside their own assumptions about the world and gain real insight into users and their needs. The next one is define stage. In the define stage, you will organize the information you have gathered during the empathize stage. You will analyze your observations to define the core problems you and your team have identified up to this point. During defining the problem and problem statement must be done in a human centered manner. For example, you should not define the problem as your own wish or need of the company. We need to increase our food product market share among young teenage girls by 5%. This is an example. You should not define the problem as your own wish or need of the company. You should pitch the problem statement from your perception of the user's needs. Teenage girls need to eat nutritious food in order to thrive, be healthy, and grow. Ideate, the third phase of design thinking, where you identify innovative solutions to the problem statement you have created. During the third stage of design thinking process, designers are ready to generate ideas. You have grown to understand your users and their needs in the empathize stage, and you have analyzed your observations in define stage to create a user centric problem statement. With this solid background, you and your team members can start to look at the problem from different perspectives and ideate innovative solutions to your problem statement. The next one is prototype. The prototype is the fourth phase of design thinking, where you identify the best possible solution. The design team will now produce a number of inexpensive scaled down versions of the product or specific features found within the product to investigate the key solutions generated in the ideation phase. These prototypes can be shared and tested within the team itself, in other departments, or on a small group of people outside the design team. This is an experimental phase, and the aim is to identify the best possible solution for each of the problems identified during the first three stages. The solutions are implemented within the prototypes, and one by one they are investigated and then accepted, improved, or rejected based on the user's experience. Test. The fifth and final phase of the design thinking process, where you test solutions and to derive a deep understanding of the product and its users. Designers or evaluators rigorously test the complete product using the best solutions identified in the prototype stage. This is the final stage of the 5 stage model. However, in an iterative process such as design thinking, the results generated are often used to redefine one or more further problems.